Christmas.
On behalf of the government of Imo State, commend our security agencies through the Brigade Commander 34 Artillery Brigade for the vision of creating this forwarding center to address the peculiar nature of the current security situation in Imo State, particularly Orlu zone, and to thank his colleagues for the support and cooperation given to him. Honestly speaking, this is a special period and season in the life of not only Christians all over the world, but to the people of Southeast who are predominantly Christians. The celebration of Christmas, which usually starts from the month of October to September, November, and December. This will go a long way in improving on the security situation in this region, and also give to our people sense of security, further encourage our brothers and sisters who are resident abroad to come home because the area is safe and secure. So for me, this is a great achievement.
To the officers and men of the armed forces, the governor reiterated that government will continue to support them.
The side of my security agencies, I want to commend them and continue to support them to create an enabling environment for our people to go about their businesses without fear of any molestation. To the officers and men of the various security agencies who are participating in this program, I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart and to assure you that government will continue to stand by you, encourage you, and support you. We are not unaware of the sacrifices you make to secure our state. In return, I can assure you that we will show sufficient appreciation, and when the day and time comes, we must have our humble way of telling you thank you for a job well done.
Commander, 34 Artillery Brigade Ubinze, Brigadier General R.T. Usaha, in his address, noted that the aim of the exercise is to further secure lives and property of the people of the Southeast, especially during the Christmas celebration.
It is aimed at the exercise Golden Dawn is an army-level exercise aimed at emplacing measures to curb the activities of criminals, particularly during the Yuletide. It is also aimed at building on the gains made against the renegade IPOB Eastern Security Network, particularly in Imo State and in the southeastern part of Nigeria in general. And we're mindful of the fact that this is the period we have most of our citizens from the diaspora coming in to celebrate and visit families. So the siting of this headquarters, the choice, was taking cognizance of the threat perception, particularly in Imo State. Participating agencies for this exercise include all the various agencies who've already been synergizing in confronting insecurity in Imo State. So we have the military, the police, the civil defense, the DSS, all participating in it. And to consolidate on the peace, to ensure that socio-economic activities continue to improve in this part of the state, and by extension, will rid the whole area of criminality.
Operation Golden Dawn, which started in October, will end in December 31, 2021.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.